Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial, where we will explain how to add Wisely card to Cash App. So let's get started. To begin, launch your Cash App and tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in the profile section, scroll down until you see the linked banks option and tap on it. Now, go ahead and press the plus icon to add a new payment method. Since the Wisely card functions like a debit card, you'll need to manually enter your card details. That includes the card number, expiration date, CVV, and your billing zip code. After filling out all the required fields, tap the Link Card button at the bottom to complete the process. Your Wisely card should now be successfully connected to Cash App. If for some reason that method doesn't work for you, there's an alternative. On the same screen, tap No Card, then hit Continue. Cash App will now show a list of bank options. Use the search bar to type in Wisely and select mywisely.com from the results. You'll be redirected to the Wisely login page. Enter your account credentials to sign in, and once you're logged in, Cash App will securely link your Wisely account directly. And that's it. You are done.